I'm Marcella Addison, and this is my husband, Richard Addison. For about 3 to 4 days out from the storm. We just came home yesterday. When we got home, it was pretty devastating. There's just so much heavy cleanup to do. We have dogs, they can't run around in this stuff, so we have to carry them from upstairs to into the car and take them down the street where it's, there's no mud.
It's just too much to deal with. The structure on the right-hand side, it floated up and is tilted over now. You have a metal building over on the right side, and it had 8 feet of water in it, so everything in it is, ruined. The pool actually came up, and now it's sitting like at a 90-degree angle. It's tilted over. We have no water source anymore. The greenhouse came up and flipped over. Oh, it's just devastating. I mean, Security First has been really good.
Yeah, for us they have.
They contacted us before the storm and after the storm to make sure we were okay and had a place to go.
We're hoping to get the house repaired and to let someone else enjoy it. We don't want to deal with this kind of situation. It's just not worth it. We're going to move on and probably contact Security First for insurance on a different home. We have recommended them to other people. They've been a great company for us.